team, Assalamualaikum. You are watching Sphere News Networkers time 9 p.m. bulletins. I'm Madiha Saeed. The head of Tokyo Olympics organizing the committee is set to resign after he was criticized for making inappropriate remarks about women. Yoshiro Mori, 83, was quoted as saying women talk too much and that meetings with many female board directors would take a lot of time in decisions. The coronavirus variant first found in Kent could become the world's dominant strain. The head of the UK Genetic Surveillance Program has predicted. A drug that suppresses appetite has led to some people losing more than a fifth of their body weight, a major international trial shows. US President Joe Biden has approved an executive order to impose sanctions on the leaders of Myanmar coup. The measures will be focused on military leaders, their families, members, and business linked to them. US President Joe Biden has raised the issues of human rights abuse in Xinjiang during his first call with the Chinese counterpart Xi Jinping, the White House said. Nepal has banned 2 Indian climbers and their team leaders for 6 years from mountaineering in the country after an investigation found they had faked their 2016 climb up Mount Everest. India and China are to pull troops from part of their disputes Himalaya borders in what seems as a breakthrough following a deadly clash in June. Iran has started proceeding uranium metal despite being warned by world powers that it constitutes another breach of the 2015 nuclear deal.